By following these 3 tips I'm going to share with you today, you are going to spend 2 hours each and every day in 2024 for something that will be very, very beneficial for you in 2025. The first tip is isolation. You should take time to isolate yourself, go to a quiet place alone and take time to think about your whole life, what you wish to have achieved in the past, what you are unable to achieve in the past, or what you are aiming to achieve, and you think these things I might not still be able to do it in 2024. So by 2025 you don't want these things to be undone. You want to finish it in 2025. The reason why I say you should isolate yourself is for you to be able to think wider, because if you are with people around you, they're going to influence you. We spend time to isolate yourself for like few hours and think about what you wish to learn in 2024. That will be very, very beneficial to you in 2025. These things can be like learning new skills, like building a new business, like working on your body health and others. The second tips is planning. So after isolating yourself and you have learned some things that you wish to have done that are unable to do in 2023, so when you know what you are aiming to learn now, you have to start by planning. It is time for you to plan. Put them down, put them beside you, put them everywhere around you. So after planning, what next? The next thing, as I've already stated at the beginning of this video, is commitment. Then you have to make a commitment of 2 hours in every single day in your 2024 to achieve these plans that you have. So you have to choose the time in your 2024. Every 24 hours you have to choose 2 hours. So this will be part of your daily routine and will be part of your calendar each and every day. So that's how you can make 2024 a great year you ever dream of. Hello, my name is Marvelous. If you are new here on this YouTube channel, subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video with your friends.
This tip's helping you is my first priority. If you like my videos, subscribe. Wish you a fulfilled 2024.